Hi, I'm Eddie, and I'll be introducing you to your customer database. Before we go anywhere, I just want to make sure that you know about the live feed on your dashboard. Underneath your website statistics, you'll find every action that a customer makes on your website is recorded in the customer database and shown here in reverse time order. This means you're always up to date with your online business. You'll see customer comments being made, orders being submitted, people subscribing to newsletters, and if you click on any of these events, you'll be shown the detailed customer record for that person. You'll find all the tools related to your customer database underneath the Customers tab. There's a customer search feature where you can search by name or by email for a particular customer. If you want to browse the customer database, click on the Customers option. This lists all the customers who meet the criteria set by these filters here. The default is to show all the customers that have been added to the customer database for today only. If I change the filter to show me the customers that have been added in the last month, then I can see a much larger list. Let's click on one of our customers to have a look at their detailed record. Depending on their actions on your website, such as what forms they've filled out or what purchases they've made, the database would have collected certain information. We're looking at John Jarvis here. There's a full record here with his name, his contact details, and his login details. And the database acquired all of this automatically by storing all the information he submitted into various forms on our site. In our action box on the right, you can access all the interactions related to John. For instance, we can view a summary of his activity on the website. This is like the live feed, but it's for one customer only. It shows that he subscribed to the monthly newsletter, he's filled out an inquiry form, as well as bought some books. Moving down the action box, we can click on Cases, which shows us John's web form submissions. Clicking on Orders brings up his purchase history on our online shop. You can also browse his subscriptions to our newsletters, his bookings, and his sales opportunities from this customer action box. As well as giving us a detailed view of all customers, the database also lets us browse by cases. When I click on the Cases option, I'm presented with the same browsing interface that I was for customers, and using the same logic, I can filter my cases for the ones that were created today, or last week, or last month. You can see all the Contact Us forms that have been submitted on the website over the last month. It shows the names of the people who submitted those forms and the time it was submitted as well. Clicking on any of these cases will bring up the detailed view for that contact form. You'll get to see the actual inquiry that the customer made, and the customer record is brought up as well. Your customer database also gives you the ability to browse your online shop orders. I'm going to click on Orders, and this time I'm showing the Orders filter. We've got the same date filters and some order-specific filters such as the order status and the payment status. If I filter out the last month's sales history, I can see the date and time, the purchaser, and the price for every order that's been made. I can even export this report to Excel. Clicking on one of these gives me a detailed view of the order, and I can see the full purchaser details, the billing and the shipping address, and the products bought and the price breakdown. This order is attached to the customer record, so we're able to look up the full details of the purchaser. And that wraps up the introduction to our customer database. As you've seen, having the database integrated with your online shop and your web forms is what makes your online business so much more powerful than just another website. You literally have a 360-degree view of what customers are doing on your online business. There are links underneath this video to take you to more advanced articles on your customer database. But if you'd like to move on, the next topic we'll be covering is email marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you next time.